Hi, my name is Cheryl and I'm the PSLE Science Specialist here at the Pique Lab. Welcome to another episode of PSLE Science Made Simple. In this video, I will be analysing a past year examination question on the topic of plants. I will also include this question to download for free by clicking the link in the description box down below. So let's get started.
Question 4. The picture below shows an apple. Which one of the following statements correctly describes the apple? As you can see in the options given below, there are 4 statements given to us. Let's take a look at the first statement first. It is a fruit. Based on your knowledge of an apple, is it correct that an apple is a fruit? The answer is yes, the apple is a fruit. Let's take a look at the second statement. It grows from a flowering plant. We have mentioned earlier that the apple is a fruit. If you recall from what you have learned in the topic of plants, can you tell me what does the fruit develop from? Fruits develop from flowers. And if a plant has flowers, this means that this plant is a flowering or a non-flowering plant. This plant must be a flowering plant. So, what is the link between a flowering plant and fruits? If a flowering plant is able to bear flowers, which will eventually develop into a fruit, is it true that the fruit grows from a flowering plant? The answer is yes. Let's now take a look at the third statement. The apple needs sunlight to make food. Can you recall what kind of organisms need sunlight to make food? If you are thinking of the plant, you are correct. The plant needs sunlight to make food. But which plant parts help the plant to make food? It is the leaves of the plant that help the plant to make food. Since the apple is a fruit, does the apple make food? No, the apple does not make food for the plant. Since the apple does not make food, would it require sunlight? The apple would not require sunlight. And the answer for this third statement is no. Let's take a look at the last statement. It gets water from the roots. Let's first recall the function of the roots. Can you remember the important function of the roots? The roots absorb water and mineral salts from the ground. Do you know why plant needs to absorb water and mineral salts? Is the plant a living or non-living thing? The plant is a living thing. And all living things need 3 things to survive. What are those 3 things? Living things need air, food, and water to survive. And that's why the roots absorb water so that the plants can survive. After the roots absorb water, what do you think happens to the water? Do you think the water would just stay in the roots? No. What happens to the water is that they will get transported upwards to all parts of the plant. Since the apple is growing on the tree, would the apple be able to get water from the roots? The answer is yes. And the answer for this question will be the option with all the ticks, which is option 3.
Thank you for watching this video. If you find that this video was useful, do give us a thumbs up and leave us a note in the comment section below so we know we're on the right track. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click here for more. See you next time!